Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 1. It is from chapter 6 of College Physics 2E by Openstax. We have semi-trailer trucks have an odometer on one hub of a trailer wheel. The hub is weighted. It doesn't rotate. It does contain gears to count the number of revolutions. It calculates the distance traveled using that. Okay. If the wheel has a 1.15 meter diameter and goes through 200,000 revolutions, how many kilometers should the odometer read? Let's start with what we know. We are given that the diameter, I use capital D, is 1.15 meters. And then we know the number of revolutions, we'll call that delta theta, is 200,000. Okay, and we need to find the distance that is equivalent to. Okay, each revolution is an arc length that's equal to the circumference of the tire. So every time the tire goes around once, we go through a whole arc length. And so our distance traveled is going to be the number of arc lengths the tire moves through. And we also know that the arc length is equal to r, the radius of the tire, times the number of revolutions delta theta. So the distance traveled is going to be r delta theta. Okay, we have the diameter, but the radius is just half that. So 1.15 meters divided by 2. Delta theta, and I should have put that over here, is 200,000 revolutions. We need theta to be in radians for this S equals R theta equation to hold. And there are 2 pi radians for every revolution. So now our revolution units are canceling, and we have radians, which is a pure number. Okay, and so it doesn't really count as a unit. I did this calculation. I got 7.225 times 10 to the 5th meters. And so we can keep 3 sig figs. The number of revolutions, the delta theta only has 1 sig fig, but we'll keep 3. And so that is going to be 7.23 times 10 to the 5th meters. And that's our final answer. That's the distance the tire goes through when it has a radius, well, let's say diameter of 1.15 meters, and it goes through 200,000 revolutions. I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comments section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.